nĩ gĩikaro kĩrĩa kĩrehete hamwe kamĩtĩ ya wonjoria ĩtongoretio nĩ mũikarĩri gĩtĩ wayo James Gakuya makĩmũrĩka mathenya marĩa makoretwo magĩcũngĩrĩria ũici wa cuma.
Those who dealt with vandalism, if they cannot find the market, they will stop. Because where do they sell? When they vandalize.
So if we receive a complaint of vandalism that is taking place in various parts of the country, it's difficult for us to act because we do not have even staff in some of the areas. Currently, the ministry has provided us with regional officers. Imagine a region like Western. We only have one regional officer who is a staff of the ministry.
This is a time for this industry to be known, to be well known, because it's an industry that's earning income and revenue to the government, very much income, employing thousands. I'll tell you, since 2002, we've had up over 1,000% growth, since the declaration of the Scrap Metal Council. So please encourage us. Do not see us as vandals. Look at us as business people, kindly. That is our kind request to you.
Oho nĩ mendekithĩtie gwĩkwo mogarũrũku ma watho wa mwaka wa 2015 ũrĩa ũrũgamagĩrĩra thũgũrĩ ĩno.
We are pleading with this committee to look into 7.2 because this is what is hampering effective management and operations of the council. Without staff, without autonomy, the council cannot move.
And we request your team to give us space so that we can work together, especially the associations plus the Scrap Metal Council. And as we look forward to working together and mutilating this bill to ensure that it's commensurate with the current business environment, so that we can all work well. Possibly some of us in 2027 will be on that side. God willing. Thank you so much.
Oho kamĩtĩ ĩno yugĩte thũgũrĩ ĩno nĩ ĩmwe ya iria irehagĩra bũrũri wa Kenya mabilioni ma igoti, ĩkĩhe mweke kanjũ ĩyo kuongerera mendekithia ma mawatho marĩa matarĩ harĩ mendekithia na mogarũrũku marĩa marenda makinyanĩrio. Kamĩtĩ ĩno yugĩte reka mogarũrũku maya mothe kũhĩtũkĩra mawatho maya itemi-inĩ rĩa gũcokia gĩtĩo kĩrĩa kĩarĩ thũgũrũ-inĩ ĩno torĩa gũkoragwo mabũrũri-inĩ mangĩ. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV kuma mbunge mũciĩ mũnene wa Nairobi, Itagwo Jenga Wabui.